Listen. The question, first of all, you listen. This is exercise 9.1. Question number 9. The angle of elevation from the top of a building. From the top of a building, from the foot of a tower. There is a tower and there is a building. So what happens? The angle of elevation from top of a building. Hey, I think it will be wrong. The angle of elevation. You see the question. From the top of a building. Of the top, elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. See. One building is there, one tower is there. From the foot of the building, you are seeing the top of the tower. And from the foot of the tower, you are seeing the top of a building. And their angle of elevation is given. Angle of elevation is given. You see, here I am drawing. Suppose this is what? Which one will be taller? Building will be taller. A tower will be taller. How we should consider? How we will get the idea? Which one will be taller? One is taller and one is shorter. Tower, to see the tower, to see the top of the tower from the foot of the building, angle of elevation is 60 degree higher, larger angle of elevation is there. But when you are seeing the building from the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation is smaller, that is only 30 degree. So by seeing the angle of elevation, we can consider which one is taller and which one is smaller. So I am writing here tower. This is your tower. And this tower you are seeing from where? From the foot of the building, and you are getting angle of elevation 60 degree. And this is what? This is building. Building. This is building. So AB is building and CD is tower. Building is smaller. When you are seeing the top of the building, from where? From the foot of the tower. What is the angle of elevation? Only 30 degree. Clear? And what is the height of the building? Height of the building is given, I think, no? If the tower is 50 meter high, height of the tower is given. Let, what sentence I should use? This is 90 degree, this is 90. Let AB be the height of the building and you tell CD be the height of the tower. Here CD is equal to given. CD is equal to what? 50 meter. Now two right angle triangles are there. What are the two right angle triangles? One is ABD, another is CDB. First of all, You find in CDB. Perpendicular is given. You find out the base, and that base you use in the second case, and you find out the height of the building. Clear or not clear? What I am telling, my dear student? Here you see which triangle first of all you will take. In this triangle, in right angle triangle CDB, CD is known to you. Find out BD, base. Again in this triangle, that base will be known to you. You will find out the perpendicular height. So easily you can get the height of the building. In right angle triangle, which one you tell, my dear student? CDB. 10 60 degree is equal to what? You know that tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular here? CD is perpendicular and base is BD. So you may write CD by BD. You take tan 60 degree, what you are getting? Tan 60 degree, what you are getting? √3. And CD is equal to, you are getting 50. What you have to find out? BD. I am going to rub the question. You might have followed the question. I am writing here. Cross multiplication you do. √3 BD is equal to what? 50. So BD is equal to what you are getting? 50 by √3 meter. Now in this case you got BD to BD you got, no? Now which right angle triangle? In right angled triangle. Which right angled triangle? ABD. You take tan 30 degree is equal to what? Tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular by base. Here AB by BD. Tan 30 degree, what you will get? 1 by √3 is equal to AB by BD. So you got 50 by √3. 50 by √3 you got. Now cross multiplication you may do, or let √3 go up. 1 by √3 is equal to this √3, it is in denominator, it will go up. So √3 AB by 50. Now cross multiplication. √3 into √3, 3 AB is equal to 50. So you are getting AB by 50 by 3 meter. You tell height of the building is equal to, you see the answer is coming or not? Height of the building, height of the building, how much you are getting? Is equal to 50 by 3 meter, or you may divide and get the answer. But answer you see coming or not?
सही है सर।
6 will come. So you better write 16.67 also you can write. Finish.